Meaning of glitz.
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 Glitz. The word glitz refers to something that is showy, flashy, or attention-grabbing in an ostentatious way. This term is commonly associated with the entertainment industry, particularly with Hollywood movies and red carpet events. The glitz and glamour of such events imply an excess of extravagance and a focus on superficial appearance over substance. Overall, glitz describes a style or quality characterized by an excessive display of wealth or luxury, often with little regard for taste or appropriateness.